Step number 1 for balancing.
Not oxidation.
Write all the oxidation numbers. First, the one that we know, oxygen and hydrogen. Then the ones that will not change because the element has only one. And at the end, the ones that change. For example, manganese in the first reactant will work with how much?
7.
It must be positive 7. So the compound has a 0. Nitrogen here is working with what?
3.
With
Minus 3.
negative 3. Nitrogen here
5. 5.
is with positive 5. Manganese here
4.
positive 4. And that's all. Yes? That was step number 1. Then step number 2, I need to identify who's changing.
Manganese.
Manganese is changing from positive 7 to positive 4.
And nitrogen.
Okay? Is it gaining or losing electrons?
Gaining.
How much? How many?
3.
It's gaining 3 electrons. So is this reducing or oxidizing?
Reducing.
Reducing. Okay. And then the other one that is changing is nitrogen from negative 3 to positive 5. What is happening with nitrogen here?
It's losing electrons.
How many?
2.
No.
No, 3.
It's negative 3. ¿Vieron?
8. 8.
Negative 3. Negative 3 to positive 5. It is losing 8 electrons. So it is being oxidized. Yes? Let me just... Yeah. Okay. Now, this was step number 2. Yes? Step number 1, write the oxidation numbers. Step number 2, identify who's changing. Step number 3, write the semi-reactions. So I will have manganese. It has no subscript. So I will write I will do it here. No tiene subíndice. Entonces va directo. Manganese with positive 7 is gaining 3 electrons. Está muy grandote.
¿Cuál es el índice?
No tiene ningún numerito abajo. Como el oxígeno, por ejemplo. Entonces vamos a ponerlo aquí chiquito. Manganese positive 7 is gaining 3 electrons to become
Manganese 4.
manganese positive 4.
Mis que no sé por qué en la tarea que nos sacó del lunes, me aparece, o sea, me salía que 2 se oxidaban.
Yes.
¿Se acuerdan?
See? 2 were oxidizing and 1 was reducing. And you need to add the electrons from the 2 that are oxidizing. We did it in class.
No, fue otro.
Yes?
Sí.
But there's a video about that, I'm sure. Let me check. Okay, and then nitrogen goes from negative 3. It is losing 8 electrons to become nitrogen positive 5. Okay? Well, so what I need to do to equal the number of electrons, in this case, I will need to multiply this by how much? Okay, Step number 3, write the semi-reaction. Step number 4, balance the number of electrons. And for this, I need to multiply the equations or the semi-reactions by a number that will make the electrons equal. ¿Qué le pasa?
Cuando le piquen 12 y ya aparece. O sea, el arriba por 8 y el abajo por 3.
In this case, we don't have any other option. I will multiply this one by 8 and this one by 3. So what I will have will be 8 here. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 here. And then 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And 3.
Ah, pues este es el método de reducción de matemáticas.
Yes. So this will become 0. What I will have here will be, in the reactant side, 8 manganese 7 plus 3 nitrogen negative 3 that will produce 8 manganese, because we multiply by 8. Electrons are already balanced and they cancel each other. Positive plus 24 electrons minus 24 electrons will be 0. So I have 4 manganese positive 4.
Si no te da 0 y está mal, ¿verdad, Miss?
¿Eh?
Si no te da 0 y está mal.
¿Cómo?
O sea, si no se eliminan los electrones.
Ajá. Los tienes que eliminar. This is the idea of balancing by redox. Make the number of electrons equal. And then we have here 3 nitrogen with positive 5. Okay? Questions about this? No? It's not so difficult.
Y esto ¿cuál es el siguiente paso?
Okay. Is this ready?
Yes.
No, tienes que hablar
Okay.
de la ecuación. Ajá.
Are there any questions?
No.
Did you get all this?
Yes.
Okay. I will erase what I have above so I can finish the balancing. Anyway, it is being recorded. So now I will add the coefficients in the corresponding places above. Where I have manganese 7, I will write the 8. Then I will write a 3 here. Then I need 8 here and 3 here. Okay? Ay, otra vez. Okay. And then I will erase the semi-reactions below so I can make the counting.
Que tengo que procesarlo tantito.
Okay. Let me now erase this. And let's count. I will start with potassium, manganese, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, I have 8 potassiums here, 8 manganese, 3 nitrogen, 9 hydrogens, and 8 times 4, 32 oxygens. In the other side, I have 3 and 1, 4 potassiums. I have 8 manganese, then 3 nitrogens, then I have 1 and 2 3 hydrogens. And 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 and 1, 16, okay, 9, 10, 26, 27, yes?
26, 27, ajá.
Okay. What do I need to do here?
In potassium, we need to put
What?
an 8.
No, I have 3 potassiums here. Let me change the color.
Pero tiene el otro, sí, cierto. Antes podemos jugar con el oxígeno y el
Yes, I have 3 potassiums here. I need 5. Yes? 3 and 5 is 8. Manganese is okay. Nitrogen is okay. Then I have, instead of 1, I have 5 here. 9, 10, 16. Y 5,
25, 30, 31.
31. Okay. And then, nitrogen. What do I need to do with nitrogens? With hydrogen?
No, más es 31 porque
Hydrogen no,
Sí.
el otro tiene que poner porque son 7, faltan 2. Tendría que poner 2.
Okay.
Sí,
Hydrogens is 5. I need 4 more, yes? I have 5 hydrogens here.
Ajá. O sea,
5 y 2, aquí ya serían 7. Okay? This is a new counting. Now I have 7 hydrogens. And I need 2 more. So I just write a 2 here. It's 5 and 4, 9. And then I have 2 and 5 is 7. Okay. 32.
A ver, espérame.
That's all.
Como que ya tenías eso, salía.